Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. The holy month of Ramzan is approaching and Muslims observe fast as fasting is one of the five pillars of Islam. The meal that is consumed to break the fast is called iftar. So today I'm going to show you all a cheesy and delicious iftar snack, cheese burst chicken lollipop. Friends, if this recipe and the video that you're going to watch impresses you, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more new videos from my channel, please press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. I have taken 500 grams of minced chicken for this recipe. Wash the chicken and drain the water. You can also buy boneless chicken cubes and grind them in a mixer. It's very important to squeeze out that extra water from the chicken before we add the spices. Otherwise, the lollipops will get broken when you fry them in oil. Now to this I have added boiled and mashed potatoes, followed by 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli flakes and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and half a teaspoon of crushed pepper powder and onion powder 1 tablespoon, mixed herbs 2 teaspoons and lemon juice taken from half medium sized lemon and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well, mix it thoroughly and refrigerate this for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, add 3 tablespoons of bread crumbs to this dough. You can also dry grind 3 fresh bread slices and add if you don't have bread crumbs. Add 2 tablespoons of Maida, followed by 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix well. Mix thoroughly. Now these are processed cheese. I have taken 200 grams and these are wooden ice cream sticks. You have to wash them and wipe them before using. Insert the stick into the cheese cube at the center. So from 200 grams of processed cheese block I have made 12 cubes. Because we're going to make cheese burst, we need a good quantity of cheese in each lollipop. Now wash and wipe your hands and rub some oil into your palms and take a portion of the dough. Flatten it and place the cheese stick right at the center and cover the cheese with the dough like this. You can make any shape. You can shape it like a ball or a flat disc or the way I do it. I am shaping it like a chicken drumstick like this. Roll it well. Grease your palm well. Now dip it in beaten egg mixture and roll it over the breadcrumbs this way. Now it's ready. Repeat the same process for the rest of the dough and place them on a tray lined with parchment paper. You can either fry them immediately and serve, or if you want to consume after 2 or 3 days, you can put them in the Ziploc bags and freeze them. If you're making in large quantities, then you can use large Ziploc bags and freeze them for up to 15 days also. Once you remove from the freezer, you must thaw them for at least 3 to 4 hours before you fry, as the cheese block needs the perfect temperature to get melted. Now it's time to fry. Take oil in a frying pan. Once it gets heated, place the chicken one by one and fry them over a slow to medium flame. Most importantly, the oil should not be too hot before we add the chicken, and flipping them at regular intervals ensures uniform frying. If you fry over a high flame, the chicken will not be cooked well and the cheese would remain unmelted inside. Now done, remove them and drain them with an absorbent paper. Now I'll cut the lollipop and show you how it has come out. You can see how the molten cheese oozes out so beautifully. Drool-worthy, right? Crunchy outer layer and smooth inner layer with molten cheese oozing out makes it the best snack for iftar or for any gathering. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. If you like this recipe and my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana Signing off with lots of love.